This is the tap to the main. Roots. Repair that the neighbor put in. You can see a giant separation in the connection right there. This was the site of the major root blockage that was stopping my camera from getting down previously. And as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. Very worn down and brittle looking. This is the end of the liner, which is just past the large tree. And so that appears to be the Y where from the connection where the neighbor used to tie in. And as you can see, giant root ball grown in right there. It's because the pipe's been abandoned and was still tied into the sewer.